So first thing first, this is a tutorial for WordPress users how to tell Google what to show if your website appears in the search results. This is not a tutorial how to rank high or what to do to show in the results. This is only about what it will show if it does. So here, for example, is my WordPress theme, and I did choose this image, I did write this, and I did write this. And that is pretty much it. You don't really have control over the rest. And many people think, for example, that you can choose keywords that you want your website to rank for, but that is not true at all. You can write content about those keywords and put them in, but you can't put anywhere a list that Google would take in and be like, okay, I'll show this website for this keyword. That is not how that works. So really, the only thing you have control over are these three things. And to have control over this, you need a plugin in WordPress if you don't want to code it. And my favorite is RankMath, so let's use it. All right, so let's install it first. And I will search for RankMath. Perfect. Okay, and right from the start, it gives us this introduction, which is pretty useful, and it's going to force you to make an account and probably give them money, so don't do that. I'm not really sure what they are offering, because as I said, like, you only setting up like 2 tags and 1 image, you don't have to pay for that. So skip. Okay, advanced, sure. And here it is. So choosing this, I honestly don't think it matters, but go ahead. Website name, perfect, sure. Now here we have the 2 images. So logo for Google. So that is this logo and social share image. So if you put your domain into Facebook or whatever social network, it will show this image. So set these up. So you can see you got the pixel ratios here. Save and continue. And that is pretty much it. So you can learn what these do, but if you just have a normal website, you don't really care. Skip, 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 return to dashboard. Okay, now the important part. So in the pages, in whatever is your front page, and you can do it for all of these, the Rank Math plugin has added these up here. Now these are confusing because they give you all these things and icons, and that is basically only if you write some content, it tries to help you with writing the content, but it doesn't really matter what you put here. It has no influence on Google. So all you want to do is edit the snippet, and then you can write here whatever you want. And if Google likes it, so it doesn't have to actually show, but it should, it will show here. So here's the title, and this is the description. Okay, and it might take up to 3 days to show up, so be patient. All right, so description, ideally around 150, 160 characters, and that's it. You save that, and it's done. That's it. And yeah, it would be smart to do this for all of the pages and even blog posts, because they might show up, so that you have control over this. But I personally find all of this stuff totally useless. All right, thanks. Good luck.